we have identified 115 cases since 2001 from the former administration of the former president, together with up to this present administration. We have 48, out of that 115 cases, Your Honor, we have identified 48 are considered as work-related. And then the rest of these are considered as non-work. They died of various reasons. There are robbery, there are personal motive, there are love triangle, there are
They just happen to be a media. So 40 something. So lagyan na natin sa 40% no, are work related. So hindi ako nakatingin. So kasi if it's work related, it means to say the killer was impelled to kill because he felt aggrieved, maligned by the work of the practitioner. But yeah, but we have libel is a crime, and that should be enough. So we could have saved 40 plus lives if these people had believed in the criminal justice system that they could achieve justice by filing libel cases and not to kill the major practitioner.
Unless it's to silence him, sir.
Precisely, yun na, but that is the point. That's why libel is still a crime, and that is pending in my committee whether to decriminalize it or not. My fear is if we decriminalize it, then those who avail, those who believe that filing the criminal case might silence the unfair, libelous remarks of this media practitioner, they will have no longer any remedy. All the more, baka this might lead to more media killings. That was what I asked Senator Nancy Binay here, that if we decriminalize libel, it might lead to more media killings. What do you think? Kasi this is a joint, This is actually a joint hearing of the Public Order and the Justice Committee. So may overlapping kasi topics.